Okay. So let me type the question here. So, Dion, how, how was this session? Please tell me.
Okay. This session was so valuable, insightful. I have learned more than what I have Googled. It was more informative because Google is not always the answer to bonus. So it's good that I have had an opportunity to speak to Shabir. Is it Shabir?
Shapir,
To share
yes.
Shabir to share his knowledge with me on how I can use Facebook ads. It's not about the Facebook ads, which gives me the sessions, but it's about me, who's behind the Facebook ads. So it was very, very valuable and insightful.
Awesome. And what three things did you learn from this session?
So the three things that I have, the three things that I have, okay, three things that I've learned from this session is that I am the person who is behind the Facebook ads. That was the main thing. And also that, secondly, that, Facebook is actually a big machine. So you need to know what exactly you are doing before you just allow Facebook ads to eat your money. And the third thing that I have learned is that, the training, the coaching that he offers, it's valuable. It's value for money. For $500 for what you'll be getting is just more than um, you being taught, but he'll be with you one-to-one on one-to-one basis.
Okay. Thank you for giving me this feedback, and I appreciate that feedback.